Adding with a number line using friendly numbers. When you're using friendly numbers, kids should have more success if they understand fives or twos. What you don't want to see on a number line is adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, or 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You want to see them using bigger chunks. When you start with the number line, you want them to start with 0. Initially, if the kids have been working with number lines for a while or you're using larger numbers, then you would hope that they could then use the biggest number to start their number line and then only add on to with the smaller number. But to initiate the number line, you want them to put in the 0, and then you want them to hop to your larger number. So I now have 38. So for me, 38 is a difficult number only because it doesn't have that nice 0 or 5 that kids are used to. Since I have to add 26, I can add an easy 2, which then makes us 40. The trick with friendly numbers is that you have to have a kind of a mental note of how much you have left. So I like the kids to notate that they've used 2 of this, so they only now have 24 to add. So then I go over and I want to add my 20, and I can do that in 2 groups of 10, or I could do it in one hop of 20, depending on how comfortable kids are with the addition of 10s. And then I need to add on my 4. So my answer, 26 plus 38 is 64. Make sure that your students go back and they write their number sentence to make sure that they understand what they have just found and which of these numbers they use, the top numbers or the bottom number on the number line. So with 53 plus 27, using that first larger number, again, these are for kids who've used the number line multiple times and they understand that really this number line continues going this way from the 0, and they've made that hop to the initial 53. 53 is a difficult number, and only that it's, again, not that friendly 5 or that friendly 0. So I luckily have a 7 to add, which will get me to 60. And then I have a hop of 2 10s, or I could do one single hop of the 2, or of the 20. Again, making sure that they add the answer to make a solid equation. If your students are needing to make 19 plus 26, if your students are still needing to do 10 and then 5, and then they know 4 more makes 19, that's okay, because you're looking for these larger hops when you're using friendly numbers. But if what they need to do is then do little ones, this is a great teaching opportunity. So here's your plus 6 more. Here's a great opportunity to then have a conversation with that student that says, okay, I see that you have 6 ones. Is there a way that we could group those together to make an easier number? Or maybe we just added this 1 first and then grouped these all as a 5. You're really asking the kids to start thinking in chunks instead of as individual numbers. Ultimately, you're hoping that they will get to place value and that they will see 26 as a 20 and a 6 and not 2 10s and a 5 and a 1. However, that's still more sophisticated, and they're thinking then 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So using friendly numbers is a quick way for kids to manipulate their numbers so that they can add our difficult numbers of like 6 and 8 together, or of our 9 and our 6. We always love to have our 10s of our 3 and our 7. Those really make those are completely friendly numbers, but not all numbers are that nice. So encouraging kids to start off with a number line using friendly numbers is a great start to a number line.